Sound like a native speaker and perfect your use of idioms. Ready? A piece of cake. It means something's really easy. Bring home the bacon. It means to earn an income. All the tea in China. It means you wouldn't do something for all the tea in China. Not my cup of tea means it's something I don't like. To go bananas means to go crazy and silly and have fun in a big way. Cool as a cucumber means you're calm and poised. A grain of salt. It means don't believe everything you hear. Follow for more. Empower your speech, guys.